If you're looking for a simple and professional way to let customers experience multiple fragrances before committing to a full-sized product, a split 8-cavity wax melt clamshell is the perfect solution. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to create your own wax melt sample packs using multiple fragrances in a single clamshell. Let's get started by deciding how you'd like to build your sample pack. A split 8-cavity clamshell gives you plenty of flexibility. You could fill all 8 cavities with different fragrances, with different colors. Planning your layout before you pour will make the process much easier and great to refer back to. Now to start making the sample pack. Add 200 grams of your preferred wax. We used Pro Soy Pillar Wax to a wax melter. Heat the wax slowly until it has fully melted, taking care not to overheat it. Once the wax has melted, divide it evenly into separate pouring jugs, one for each fragrance you're using. In this case, we are doing 8 different fragrances, so we'll need 8 jugs. Allow each wax mixture to cool to the recommended pouring temperature. Pouring too hot can ruin the quality of the wax, as well as melt the wax melt cavity shell if poured too soon. Check the wax product page for all the information about the correct temperature range. Now it's time to fragrance the wax. Add 10% of fragrance oil into the wax. Planning ahead will allow the calculations to be easier. To differentiate the fragrances, you could add color to the wax melts. Not only will it help the customer to tell the fragrances apart, but it adds an extra layer or customization that fits the aesthetic of your brand. Following your plan, carefully pour your first fragrance into its chosen cavity or section of the clamshell. Pour slowly and steadily, taking care not to overfill or pour above the dividing lines. Continue pouring each remaining fragrance into its allocated section until all 8 cavities have been filled. Leave the clamshell open on a flat surface and allow the wax to cool naturally at room temperature. And that's it. Your sample pack is ready to be labeled with branding and safety information and ready to be sold to new and existing customers. If you have enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more wax melt making inspiration.